You know those glossy, high-end ads that look like they cost a fortune to shoot? With Pexo, a single product photo and a simple chat is all it takes. Let me show you. First, I upload my product photo and tell Pexo the style I want. Pexo generates a keyframe image first, so I can lock the look before it animates. Once I approve, it plans the camera moves and starts producing the video. Let's see. Not bad. Now I want to add more information to the ad, so I just tell Pexo to use motion, and it tailors the text right to the video's style. For an ad, brand consistency matters most. So I upload my logo and tell Pexo to keep it on screen. Pexo cuts it cleanly out of the image, pins it into the corner, and locks it onto every single frame, so it never drifts or changes. Let's see how it turns out. And to jump on a trend, I can switch the whole style just by asking. Here, a Vox-style paper collage look, and Pexo rebuilds the whole ad that way, with the product still front and center.
Any day, any night, any mood, any mood. Iconique.
Whether you want a real UGC-style ad or a polished high-end brand ad, if you can picture it, Pexo can make it for you. No editing skills, no complex prompts, you just chat with it like a conversation. Go try it on your own products, the link's below.